Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today I've got a Tesla Model S Plaid that we just put PPF on. This is a black Tesla from the factory, and at first glance you might guess that we put satin clear PPF on this car, but surprise, this is actually colored PPF. This customer chose our satin black TMaxx PPF, which is a colored PPF, it's not clear, and he put that on a black car because he had some blemishes in the paint, and rather than just putting satin clear on here, he went with the colored PPF. Could have fooled me, but it looks great. It looks like a satin cleared PPF on this Tesla Model S Plaid, and always a great hitter and a great way to go when covering your Model S, or any Tesla for that matter, when they come from the factory in gloss black. The satin black is really cool. Another benefit you get from the satin PPF is it's gonna be a little easier to keep it clean. While gloss colors, gloss black in particular, can look like a mere finish, it also gets dirty so easily, and unless you wanna wash your car all the time, it always looks dirty. The nice thing with satin black is it can get dirty, it can get dusty, and you're really not gonna be able to tell unless you get up close to it. This thing looks really cool, and it's gonna be easier to maintain. The next question is, what kind of wheels should we put on this car? It's got the factory wheels and tires right now, but let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite T-Sportline wheel that we should put on this Model S next? All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.